Suddenly you arrive at Tumalog Falls in Oslob, Cebu, a sprinkling waterfall cascading down a mossy limestone cliff. A light mist fills the air as a cool turquoise pool below invites you for a refreshing swim. Unlike powerful roaring waterfalls, Tumalog is calm and peaceful, creating a relaxing and almost otherworldly atmosphere. It's an ideal spot for nature lovers, photographers, or anyone looking to unwind. More than just a beautiful sight, Tumalog Falls offers a refreshing and unforgettable experience, making it a must-visit destination in Cebu.